Hey guys, my name is Na and you are watching You Want to Be a Review channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you work from home jobs that you can earn money from home exactly with simple Google hack actually. So we will use simply Google with this transition or with this method actually. So then you can earn the money from that. So that is absolutely a copy and paste job. No investment is needed and nothing hesitated with this method actually. So it is often and worldwide available the method and 100% free method that we will just learn in today's video. So what I want from you to watch the video to the very end to do not miss any part of the trick or the strategy that I'm sharing in this video. So then at the end of this video you will be fully optimized and you will fully understand that how the method is working here. So the first and important thing is that we can simply use making money with Google. So we have to use the Google. So what we need to do, the first thing is that we just need to Google and just type best wedding hall in Calgary. So that is not the only keyword. You can just find out hundreds and thousands of keywords and also careers and also jobs, or for example, the professions that you think about that. So whether that is dentist, barber, anything that is that best wedding halls or best barbers and in Calgary or something like that. So you can just target it a specific location. For example, as I just selected or targeted Calgary of Canada, so that's why I just target this city or town. So what you need to do, you can simply type best wedding halls in Calgary. So once you type that, the next step will be that you can simply find out here in the Google search engine that they will give you Empire Banquet Hall, for example. This is one, this is another, and this is another one. So if you just click on view all right here, then you will be visit to this page that you can simply find out all listings or all Calgary halls actually. So these are all the wedding halls that is available on Google, and people can search that and they can just have their wedding over there actually. So what we need to do, the best and coolest way that we make money from $200 to $500 per day with this specific method. So how we can get that? So it needs a little bit activation and smartness, but doesn't require any special skills or more work or no prior, for example, experience. Nothing is needed for that. So what I'm showing in this video, so you just need to implement that. At the back side, you will get the result from that. So what we need to do, so these are all listings available right here, for example. So whatever there is, for example, the wedding hall, for example, this is the one. You can simply just click on that. Once you click on that, they will show you the map exactly that where it's located. And here you can simply find out the website for them, direction, and then you can save or call them. So what do you need to do? We can simply just find out the contact information about this wedding hall actually right here. So whether that is find in website or whether you can simply find it or uh, a phone call, you can simply just find out the phone number from here. You can simply find out and then you can contact them. If that is not in your own area, so what you need to do, then you can simply visit to their website and just find out their contact information for them, or just find out a direct email address. So you can simply copy the email address from there, and then what you need to do, the next step will be that you can contact them. So once you contact them, then you can simply tell them and just make a request. For example, that I have found out your website or your wedding hall, for example, and you can add their name also, okay? Rajwir Banquet Hall, Calgary, okay? So means in that way they can give you more value. For example, that this guy really understand my wedding hall and they see or visit really to my website. So that's why there will be more trust between you and him. So then you can simply tell them that I will just make your business one step ahead from your competitors actually, and you will be just rank in the first step or the first page of Google, and you will have more business for that. If you are happy, so you can contact me and I can build a Google business profile for you. So what is basically the Google business profile? Business, if you just type in the Google dot business, okay. So if you just type in the Google my business right here, you can see here, okay, Google my business, okay. You can see here Google my business. If you just see that, if you just type in the Google, you will just visit to this page right here. So what is this about here? You can see here that what they tell: engage with customers on Google for free. With a Google My Business account, you get more than a business listing. Your free business profile lets you easily connect with customers across Google Search and Maps. So you can simply find out and create one Google My Business profile for him, but by just clicking manage now right here, or simply here you can click. So once you click on that, so most people don't know about this and they don't know the exact power of Google My Business, that they can really help their businesses, okay? So you can just simply create one for them. So once you sign up for a free account, that is absolutely and 100% free. So what you need to do, once you sign up for that, you edit your information, then you can open and log into the accounts right here. So it will something looks like this once you log in here. So here will be the name, for example, online printing assistant, but this is my one actually. You can give their name, for example. What will be their name? Let me just check that. um, you see here, Rajveer Banquet Hall, Calgary. You can just give the name like this one, and that will be show up right here. And here will be his or her address, for example, for the hall. And here will be the home page actually, that it'll just show you that how many views they got and how many search they got, how many activities they got. Okay, search views is coming like this, and maps views come like this. And what they need to do here, and daily he can or she can actually just post their daily contents by just clicking create post right here. So once they click on the create post right here, they can simply post anything they want. They can post offers, for example, for their wedding hall. They can just post what is new. For example, they can post here events. Even he can just find out products they can post, okay. So anything they want, they can pretty simply post it here, and that will be visible on the Google, and they will have more engagement and their business will be go more forward to that. So if they want to see their post, they can simply see here that by just clicking the post button right here, and that will be all their posts available right here, that it will show like this. And that will also shown by the Google actually whenever people search their query related to their search or their post actually. So that will be visible over there, okay. So then, and also if they want to see their info actually, or you want to build their profile exactly 100% accurate, then you just need to go to the info and just require some information from them that you need to add, for example, like the trending keywords, what they have, for example, and their wedding halls, or what they are using, for example. You can simply edit that, okay, right here. And here their main location you can add, for example, that people can easily find out on Google Map or something like that. And you can simply open hours. You can just manage their open hours right here, and then you can simply add these all information what is required from them. So you can simply ask them and they will just show you, give you, and you can add it to their profile. So you can simply charge them for $50 to $80 or $100 per person. So that would be the most easy way and the most easy profit system actually, that you can simply earn from the Google My Business for absolutely free, because most of the people don't know about Google My Business, that they can really help them and they can manage their accounts and their business actually. So what you need to do, you can simply just go around the Google and just find out the listing and websites and businesses and contact them, and then just put them into, just pay you the money, and you can just simply build a profile, a business profile for them on the Google, so that they will be really happy. So once you contact in the person and you give your thoughts about the Google My Business, they will 100% be agree with you, and they can, then you can earn an extra cash from that. So that is absolutely the brilliant business if you work consistently on that. So hope you like the method. If you like the method, please hit the like button, comment if you have any question or concern. I can respond to that as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you'll be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.